Tara sa Aurora! The goal is to look for reference and inspiration para sa painting na gagawin for our art gallery, The House of Arts. 6 hours nga pala ang biyahe kaya bawal antukin while driving. Umalis kami ng 1:30 AM ng Cavite at dumating sa Baler at 7:30 AM. Day 1. Pumunta muna kami ng Sabang Beach para mag-breakfast at mag-inquire ng aming matutuluyan for 2 nights. We have 3 hotel options pero nanalo ang Playa Azul Hotel na talaga namang malinis, may magandang amenities at beachfront na perfect for sunrise view. 6,200 pesos for 5 people kasama na ang silog breakfast with unlimited swimming pool experience. 11 AM ang earliest check-in time kaya tara muna sa Dipaculao. Almost 30 minutes drive lang from the beach. Photo ops with rock formation in small islands. Mukhang may pag-asa na para makakuha ng best photo for a painting. Tampisaw ng konti, then back to hotel. Pahinga muna para may energy for the next adventure experience which is surfing. 10 years ago, nung una ako makapunta ng Baler at ma-experience ang surfing at ito na nga ang before and after. 500 pesos for 1 hour surfing kasama ng short training, surfing board, and assistance. Magandang mag-surf ng hapon at 4 PM para mas malakas at mataas na waves na tama lang for beginner. Back to hotel. Freshen up muna, then buffet for dinner sa halagang 250 pesos. Explore nyo lang ang Baler proper at makikita nyo na ang kaliwat kanang buffet restaurants. Day 2. Gising ng 6 AM, breakfast, then biyahe na ulit papuntang Di Tumabo Mother Falls. 30 minutes drive, then almost 15 minutes walk from the campsite. 30 pesos each for the environmental fee and 300 pesos for a mandatory tour guide. Mas na-appreciate ko ang walking experience this time dahil hindi crowded. Maaga and weekday kaya una kaming nakarating sa Mother Falls. Sinamahan pa kami ni Doggy para ipagmalaki sa amin ang stunning view na ito. Sobrang lamig ng tubig pero masaya at isa ito sa best spots for the next painting. Next is the Ermita Hill. Dito nyo makikita ang bird's eye view ng Baler Beach at ilang islands. May peanut butter coffee na 75 pesos na perfect habang nagpapahinga. We were informed by Costa Pacifica staff na sarado ang daan papuntang Di Casalarin Cove until further notice. Pero nagbakasakali pa rin kami na may makitang view along the way. Dito na nga namin nakita ang way paakyat ng Digisit Lighthouse na may perfect view ng beach and islands. 15 pesos each ang entrance, tanghaling tapat paakyat at sobrang init kaya mas convenient kung umaga or hapon ang punta dito. 10 to 15 minutes paakyat, then you can enjoy this view. Back to hotel, ligo muna ulit, then drive-thru sa Jollibee Baler para mas masaya papuntang Dinadjawan Beach. Ito nga pala ang view sa daan for 1 hour and 20 minutes drive. Dito kami napadpad sa Bella Vita Resort na same name ng favorite kong brand na developer. 500 pesos ang entrance for 5 people at nag-stay kami from 5:30 PM hanggang 7 PM. Back to Baler Beach para maligo at maghanap ng nightlife. Nabigo kami sa bar na gusto naming puntahan dahil sarado at dito kami napadpad sa Amat's Bar and Grillery. Inom muna with a band, then food trip before matulog. Third day, surf ulit ng umaga, explore the beach, breakfast, then prepare for checkout. Pahinga muna for 2 hours, then eat all you can ulit sa isa na namang buffet restaurant. Daan muna sa Baler Catholic Church to pray for our safety, happiness, and good health. Next spot is the Sabali Hanging Bridge. This is one of the longest hanging bridge na napuntahan ko na may magandang view at malinis na river na pwede for swimming. Okay din for painting inspiration. Last spot ay isa sa pinakasikat and biggest balete tree in Asia located in Balete Park, Aurora. 30 pesos each for entrance, then 10 pesos for the parking fee. When you go inside the balete tree, makikita mo ang textures and details na magagamit ko for painting brushstrokes. That's all for our Aurora trip, pero bago umuwi, dadaan muna kami ng Nueva Ecija na makikita natin sa next video. Ito nga pala ang napili kong photo inspiration for my next painting. Tara, sama ka sa susunod na travel for art inspiration.